First, choose your perfect colour match from our 23 colours. Or if you like a contrast, choose something from our shapes range. Our patches are made from tough ripstop nylon, but are super soft so they don't spoil the feel of your jacket or sleeping bag. Next, find that annoying tear in your lovely down jacket. Poke those downy feathers back in. If you've bought our down refill kit or our kit in a tin, use the insertion tweezers to poke the feathers back in and to add more down to your jacket or sleeping bag cell. Next, select the most appropriate patch for your repair job. Peel the backing from the down jacket repair patch. Spread the torn area flat between your index finger and thumb. Place the patch over the tear and press down firmly in a sweeping circular motion. Do this in one motion if possible. Now you can show off your newly repaired jacket to the envy of friends and family. We care about our environment, so all our packing is either recycled or compostable. Our original patch kits come in 23 colours, so you're sure to find a match. Each kit has 7 different super soft self-adhesive patches made from tough ripstop nylon. Or you could try something different with our shapes range. Get the full works with our kit in a tin, the complete down jacket repair kit, which includes 1 gram of goose down and tweezers. We also offer extra down to make your jacket or sleeping bag plump and cosy. With 800 plus fill power, it's the most effective insulation for down jackets and sleeping bags. Visit downjacketrepair.co.uk.